Beautiful. Look at that little peacock. My gosh, it's so sunny, bro.
Okay, I'm gonna go this way.
Hope you can see that ugly man. I'm just kidding, it's not ugly. Like a second ago said, lizard. Oh, that was the don't know what, but we're at.
Screech owl.
I'm not kidding. By the way, Eastern Screech Owl. Ooh, where is it? I do not see it.
Volcano owl.
Oh,
It's camouflaging. Oh, it's so
where?
tiny.
Oh, it's so tiny. It's right there. It's right there.
Oh, wait.
So cute. I'm taking a video right now. Nature video. Oh my gosh, Ellie, look at that. Stay back. Do not put hands and objects inside Avery's. Okay,
Red-shouldered hawk.
yeah, red-shouldered hawk.
I don't see the red shoulder.
It's like Hawktua. Oh my gosh, look. This is for the this is the eagle. Bald eagle. Look at that, man. That's the Mexican bald eagle. I don't know how they captured him.
Look at that.
Oh my god, look at that lizard. Lizard. I'm taking a video. I'll just send it to you. By the way. What's in here? There's another bald eagle.
Where's the other black eagle, people? Oh, it's right there.
Oh, it's right there. Oh, yuck.
Bald eagle.
No, it's bald. Oh, wait. What does the sign say?
It's the
Butterfly garden. Maskin.
Macassan Pond and classroom.
Classroom. Oh, yeah. Hey, Mom, Dad. We're going to be down here.
We saw a peacock.
Yeah. Yeah.
Feathers open.
Hey, Mom, we're going to go down there.
The peacock's feathers were open.
We're going to be over there. Okay. Hold on, let's read the sign first.
Through a child, it says caution. You are entering the Macassan Lake Nature Park Trail System. This area has been left in a natural state and provides for a safe and walk. Please stay on designated trails and watch for low-hanging branches, slippery boardwalks, fallen tree limbs. Take only pictures and memories. Thank you. Trip hazards and hills insects.
Thank you.
Okay. So that sounds very
Interesting.
interesting.
Okay, trails up there. There is.
Over here and
Does that say? I thought this said anime.
animal and plant life protected. Do not disturb the trail. Well, is that a trail? Yeah. I'm gonna go. Should we go this way? Okay, let's go this way.